Top of the morning, good morning here from Windsor. A few American people here. They have the D810. Yeah, that's right. Lady with the very expensive D810 there, Nikon. Spanish ladies here.
That I know how to use for blurring the background.
Alright, no need to boast. Looking around Windsor here. And of course they got the castle behind us here for the wedding today. Sun is coming up here. Sunrise here in Windsor. We're setting up here. Both people have gone in up there. And the police are all setting up and Lord knows who else around here. The Filipinos next to me here. The cameraman who had some from Chile just now, Spanish speaking as well. I think it's probably Chilean. There's Filipinos, a few more here. Pub's not open as yet. Papers here in Windsor for the royal wedding.